Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the straight arm banded lat pull down. So for this, you just simply need a band as well as a PVC pipe or maybe a broomstick. So to set up for this, what you're going to do is simply loop the band around your pull bar, place your PVC inside. Okay? And so we want to have straight arms throughout, shoulders are back, lats engaged. So from here, we're going to pull the band straight down, leaving our arms straight the entire time, holding for about a 1 to 2 count. If that seems a little bit easy, you can simply drop to your knees, add a little bit more stretch in the band, or you can add a thicker band. And that there is a straight arm banded lat pull down.